car? Look at the car.
Yeah, let me in the boy, sprinkle us some magic. Yeah, hands down, this kitties.
What is up, guys? Me and Angelo right now. We're in Target with the what are these, Angelo?
Bumper cars.
We in here with the bumper cars. So you know, right now we just riding along, and we might go run these streets right now. You see these things are on like 100 miles per hour at least. My nigga Angelo just copped the new action figures. Let's see him, my nigga. You already know who is that? I don't even know who that is. It seems like a character off of some show. I forgot what show it is. Miss Piggy or something. That's her name, Miss Piggy now.
I don't want it anymore.
Why? Cause her name's Miss Piggy? Ooh, my bad. Ooh, I can drive, guys. Don't worry. Ooh, my bad. Ooh, shit. Ooh, fuck. Oh, me. Ooh, my bad. Oh, shit. All right, now that one was really for accident. I'm stuck, guys. Oh, shit. Okay, I got this. Whew, professional. So right now we're about to try to leave Angelo. He's in the next aisle. I'm gonna go and smash into him really quick. Oh, he's right here. What's up, Angelo?
Back it up.
We lit.
Oh my god. Go straight.
Hold on, I got you. Guys, I gotta cop this like ASAP.
Is he really finna cop?
I'm finna cop this right now.
Alright, guys, if he doesn't walk out with the store with it, you guys all have to unsubscribe because he lied to you all. It has a tail and everything.
We lit. We got the clout dinosaur now. The clout dinosaur. You already know, rocking the clout dinosaur. Be really out here. Be out here getting it. Be getting big.
Davion, my cart for show died.
It died? Alright, let me see.
Shit, ready? Oh, bro, I was trying to hit you the whole. Oh, see, look at.
You were trying to hit me the whole time? Is that what I heard, Angelo? For sure. Clout dinosaur. You try to kill the clout dinosaur. Hasn't even been up for a minute yet. What size is this again, Angelo?
L for all the L's that you take.
I don't. Take L's, Angelo. You should know this. Whenever I ever took an L, guys, let me know down in the comments below. I don't take L's. I'm Sully never took an L in his life.
That's the fucking.
Angelo getting into the young Spider-Man. You already know we out here. Like,
What do you have me fucking doing, bro? You said we were gonna shoot footage of your car. Now I fucking.
Oh yeah, guys, don't worry. I got a new car. I'm about to show you guys. It's the GTR here already. That thing hit 0 to 100 in 0.5 seconds, guys. My nigga Angelo finna cop this right here. Why? People looking at us all weird and stuff.
Are they really?
Yeah. But who cares, you know? Well, you look just like.
Do I have a hood? Yeah, I do.
You do. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Angelo is the new Spider-Man. Can you catch him? No, you can't.
Oh shit, my phone's in my pocket.
Hey, Spider-Man doesn't do that. Come on, let's go save the world. Guys, it is insanely hot in these right now. And I don't even know how I'm even still alive. I got on like basically like 2 type sweater things. Glad they had the little shoe things because my footies back in the days didn't even have foots. I say we go. Woo. I say we go and start a hurricane. There we go. Perfect. Just the way it was. Guys, I have someone following me. I don't know who it is. I'm trying to get away. I'm going my fastest, but he's walking. He's like another Jason or something. Angela, get away! Cop this Oh, what is
Better
it?
cuff this, my boy.
Oh, this thing is fly.
Let me see
Oh
the
my
thing.
god.
Oh, okay.
You guys already know the merch. Let's go sit down, Angela.
Our job making this far, guys. My YouTube career turned into a majestic unicorn.
This thing is hotter than. Ooh, still got the clouds on. Y'all see him.
Clout never dies.
Cloud never dies.
Oh, hell no. You're right by the basket. Davions. See what you want me to do.
Angela almost broke all those bottles. He crashed into the whole rack.
At least my view is so. Oh my god.
How? Those people were looking at you so weird. They're like, oh my god. If you'd have broken, I'd have been dying.
I would have ran.
You would have ran?
You probably would have paid for it because I don't know if you would have ran behind me. I would have fucking ran. I don't give a fuck. I would have.
Oh my god, guys, we really just got kicked out. Like, they don't even really like us there, you know, probably because, feel me? Like, yeah, they just hating on the clout goggles. They saw him.
What the fuck?
Oh, your grandpa's here, dude. Bro.
Nah.
His car's higher too.
This car just got
Alright, I think, are you guys almost ready to see the car? Well, you guys will see it later on in the video because we're about to get in it right now to the GTR. You guys ready for a new car? Look at the car. Look at the car. Angelo. Look at. Tell me this ain't a nice car. Nah. Come over here. I need you to look on the inside right here. You guys already know we got the car already running the Supreme, my nigga. It's already running Supreme. It has its own red iPhone.
That's my shit.
It has me, red hair, red car. It goes all together. Come on the other side. Come on the other side. You see the lights? Show them the lights real quick. The lights beaming like some diamonds. You already know we got platinum diamonds on there. Look right here. Look at this. Look at that right there. Oh, you see it. You see it. I know you see it. You see the blue? You see the miles? You see it goes to like 1,000 miles per hour. Oh, what is this? Took off the steering wheel. You can't do that in your car, can you? No, you can't. Because this is my car. This is self-made car right here. Boy, I already know I got a sticker bomb. We're really out here. We're really out here. We be really doing it. I know y'all like to go. What's up?
The clout. You dropped the clout.
I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's new. Energized now, let's get it. The clout gives you energy, so guys, go get your clout goggles right now. Go get you a nice GTR. I told you guys it's gonna be a GTR, so yeah, here it is.